Hi guys, it's Dr. Kerry. I'm back today showing you how to make a smoothie. The reason I make a smoothie is to break my fast. So at 11 a.m. I have a smoothie to get all the ingredients I need for the day, the nutrition, so that my body doesn't have cravings. And the goal is to lose some more weight and to get fit in better shape. And I wrote a book about this called The 100-Day Diet. It's on Amazon. I lost over 30 pounds in 100 days, and now I'm taking it to the next level. I want to drop the next 18 pounds, and I've lost 10 pounds so far. So I'm going to show you what I put in my smoothie to break my fast. My fast is from 7 p.m. to 11 a.m. daily, and then I can eat from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So I use this silk almond milk, and it's not sweetened because it has only 30 calories in it. It has some fat, but it's healthier fat. And it has 1 gram of carbohydrate. This one has no fiber in it, but some of them do. And 1 gram of protein. So, and a bunch of nutrition in there too. So I'm gonna open that up. I'm going to put my blender container on the scale. And this is my digital scale. I'm gonna zero it out. And I'm gonna make sure we have the right amount of base here, which is gonna be 250 milliliters a cup. So that's what I start with, is 1 cup of almond milk, which you have to be careful that it's not sweetened. You have to read the ingredients because some of them have a lot of sugar and some of them have a lot of calories and carbs. And we don't want that on a lower carb diet when we're trying to mobilize fat and lose weight. Next, I'm using this enhanced collagen protein powder. I'll put it in the show notes. I'm using 2 scoops of that, and that has a lot of protein and collagen in it. It's good for repair of the tissues if you're exercising, but it's also good protein. So that's the Organika brand collagen. And then healthy fat. I have MCT oil right here. It's organic. It's from coconuts. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the serving size of 10 milliliters today. So that one's done. I'm all done with that one. And I have this one right here. We're at 4. I'm gonna add 6 more. And that's 10. Ooh, that's gonna go over here. So I'm gonna throw this out after. I do like to add a little bit of olive oil into my smoothie. I know a lot of people don't. You can't really taste it, but it has a lot of monounsaturated fat. I'm gonna put 10 of that in as well. Perfect. Some of us don't get enough fat during the day. We struggle to get good fat in our diet. And so the olive oil is gonna really help us to get monounsaturated fat, which is the healthiest type of fat, okay? Fish oil is another one you can use. And I'm gonna put in 5 of fish oil because I have quite a bit of fat in there right now. So this is omega-3 and DHA, EPA oil. So this is from fish, and 5 milliliters of that. All right, fiber is important. I use flaxseed, ground flax, and I'm gonna put in a serving of that, 13 grams. So I'm gonna zero the scale and then put in 13 grams of fiber. This is almost done. So I'm gonna have to pick up some more of that. I do have some flax here, but it has to be ground. So you can buy the whole flaxseed and grind it up in a coffee grinder. And that's something I can do right now, right after we're done this video, just to have enough for tomorrow. I'm gonna grab a spoon, and here we're going to put in some cocoa. Cocoa powder without being sweetened is excellent. It's a great antioxidant, and 1 serving here is 5 grams. So I'm just gonna put in 5 grams of cocoa. It makes the smoothie taste a little bit better because it's chocolatey, and it's a really good antioxidant. So I'd highly recommend adding some cocoa powder into your smoothie. Okay, next I have a red superfood, which I've told you about in previous videos, and a green superfood. Today I'm gonna use the green. I used the red yesterday, and I'm gonna put a scoop of the green in and that's got spirulina in it, which is really healthy. It's a superfood. And I'll put more in the show notes below. I'll put the ingredients of my smoothie in there. And if I have some time, I'll put the health benefits too. Probiotics. I'm gonna use 50 billion probiotics. I don't have to store this one in the fridge, but this one's a dry form, and it's from Garden of Life. So I really like this probiotic. There's different types out there, but that one's really good. I like to put 1 drop of vitamin E into my smoothie. I don't always, but frequently I do, and 1 drop of iodine in my smoothie. It helps with the thyroid. It helps us to, it helps our body work better. And then I'm gonna put in some vitamin B. Now I use this vitamin B super complex right here, and I'm gonna break this capsule, put in the vitamin B into the smoothie, and it really helps with your brain and how your brain works, the brain chemistry, help you with your mood, regulating your mood, keeping your brain working properly, okay? So that's what I put in. Now CoQ10 is for the heart. I'm gonna put 1 capsule of CoQ10 in, and that's gonna help with the circulatory system in our heart. I'll put that in the show notes below. So you can buy, a lot of these come in capsule form. You just put 1 capsule in. Selenium, I'm gonna put that into my smoothie, put that in the show notes below, and the value of selenium. Multi-minerals, I use Trophic multi-minerals. It's got a bluish tinge to it because of the copper, but it's really good for our health. Now you might be getting some of these things from your food in your diet, but some of the things you might not. And if there's deficiencies, then our body doesn't work right. All right, we're getting down to the nitty gritty here. We've got turmeric. I'm gonna use only half a scoop today because the curcumin in the turmeric powder is very good anti-inflammatory. It's good for our body. I add some nutmeg just for the taste. I don't know if it has any health benefits, but I like the way nutmeg tastes. And I also have cinnamon. I didn't look up the health benefits of cinnamon, but I like how that tastes too, and I like to put it in my smoothie. I have vitamin A with D and K, good for the immune system. 5 drops of that. Vitamin A, good for the eyes. Resveratrol, if you drink red wine, you probably don't need to take this, but I don't drink that much, occasionally, so I put resveratrol, which is the antioxidants found in red wine, in my smoothie. Okay. And then 5-HTP, which is good for your brain and the brain chemistry and the chemicals in your brain. I'm going to put that in. And then some special ingredients I have. Now, this might not be good for everybody, and I would recommend you talk to your doctor before you start anything new, like even making these smoothies. This is quercetin. I'm gonna put some quercetin in, and that's by Natural Factors right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of lion's mane in there. You've heard a lot about mushrooms and mushroom extracts. I'm gonna put a small spoon. It says half a teaspoon, perfect. So that's what I just put in there. I'm gonna put some maca in there. Half a teaspoon, it's saying 3 grams, perfect. I'm just gonna measure that actually to make sure we're putting the right amount in. 3 grams, okay? And then matcha. This is like green tea. It's supposed to be the healthiest green tea for you, and it's from Japan. Just gonna put a small scoop of that in. So those are like some special additives at the end that I like to put in my smoothie. And it's from the research I've done, things I've learned along the way, and what's best for my body. So you have to get to know what's best for your body, what your body needs. Do your own research. I'll put the ingredients in my show notes below or in this blog, and you can feel free to contact me. I am doing a free webinar this weekend on losing weight and getting fit. I'm also have a course that you can take to self-study weight loss and all the key steps, including making a smoothie. And then I do one-on-one coaching. I have limited amount of spots available right now for coaching, but you can sign up for an introductory 20-minute session right now by clicking on the link below. And please follow me. Like this video, follow me here, and subscribe to the channel on YouTube as well as our podcast. And then if you're on social media, please follow me, as I'll be posting pictures and videos and tips to help you to get in better shape, get more fit, retain some muscle mass, get a little quicker if you're a runner or an athlete, someone who wants to perform better. So thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, you guys. I'll talk to you soon.